Good evening, we're here at the park. It's their second night to use the stroller.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Let's see the stunt of Kuya Joshua. Go Josh! Come show us! The building is just, one moment, just right there. Yan yung First Central and that's the park. And we are here kasi meron ditong stunt slope na pwedeng gamitin si Joshua. Go! Oh! And there's Papa and Caleb. Go Caleb! Go! Big park. It's cold, windy night tonight. Malamig ang simoy ng hangin dito sa Al Barsha, Tecom, Dubai. This is such a blessing for us. Thank you Lord na mayroong malaking park sa labas ng apartment. And Caleb's scooter has lights. Umiilaw siya. Joshua, look at that. Look at Joshua. Mabilis na siya. Go, follow kuya.
Nagdagdagan ko dito para matitibay.
By the way, we bought this stroller, Kuya Joshua stroller. Ang tatak niya Falcon brand at Carrefour supermarket or department store. And for Caleb, it's available in Toys R Us and Carrefour. Go Caleb, go! 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 It's Papa with coffee and jacket. He feels so cold. So bye-bye. Bye family. You're gonna end this video and see you again next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our family channel. It's a good gift for children, scooter. When there's a park near you, and at this season here in Abu Dhabi, UAE, kasi nasa Dubai po kami. So, a good gift. Goodbye stroller for your children. And also in Philippines, maganda rin siyang gift kung free naman yung mga kalsada sa daan. Bye everybody! Good night!